So I visited one of New York's most tourist attraction, which is called World Observatory. And here we go. World Observatory is a renowned architectural marvel located in New York City, standing tall at the site where the iconic Twin Tower once stood. The observatory offers breathtaking panoramic view of the city's skyline and serves as a symbol of resilience and hope. With a priority access, which is a VIP, you get your virtual tour guide. It's so amazing because it tells you stories of every historical building you see. So using your virtual tour guide, you see every building you're going to see outside with your physical eyes virtually, and it's clickable. So that means you can click on every building and it's going to tell you a short story about that building. Whenever you plan to visit New York City, I think this should be one of your top activities. The views are breathtaking, they're magnificent, and I recommend this.